take anything past porch.
Man. Look at that.
Those people are probably going, what?
The house
What
there.
is going on? They're rebuilding.
Yeah. Wow. That is absolutely crazy. Yeah, I hope I don't ever experience one. Holy cow. Does look like a war zone. Think all this junk was here before too, though?
Probably not to this degree or level.
That is just decimated. Wow. Are these people in these homes still? Is that?
I think that's the end of it.